In this video, I will show you how to insert an image in your Microsoft Word document. So firstly, what you want to do is to go to Insert tab in top left corner. Then here, as you can see at illustration, you have the option for pictures. Now if you click on this down arrow, as you can see, we can insert picture from multiple ways. So we can insert for this device, stock images, or we can search online pictures. I'm going to show you how to insert from this device and from stock images. So let's click on this device. And as you can see now, we can choose the picture that we want to insert. So let's say this one, for example. And now you can do whatever you want with the picture. So let's delete it for the moment. And we're going to insert a stock one. You're going to do the same step. You're going to go to insert, then you're going to go to pictures, and you're going to click this time on stock images. Now we can choose which picture we like. So for example, I'm going to insert this one, then you're going to click on insert button. And now, as you can see, we just inserted a picture in our Microsoft Word document. So guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.